What's up, y'all? Crypto Command here, coming at you with another video. I am currently locked into a trade right now. As you can see, we are in the green. We got a wedge pattern. I'm so surprised at how fast I found this pattern. And I locked in a short, and as you can see, it's going down, and we're in profits. Before we dive into the markets, I just want to give a big shout out to Worshipful Master Eric Martin, also known as Mike. That's my boy. Big shout out to him. He's now Worshipful Master, Huntsville, Alabama. You know what's up. We've been waiting for this. Yes, for those of you who do not know, I am a 32nd degree Freemason, military lodge, pyramid lodge, 38. Also a Rosicrucian, still a Neophyte, yet a Rosicrucian. Alright guys, let's move into these charts. Alright, so kind of did something a little risky. I saw a trade, or so I thought. I saw an entry, and so I hopped into that entry very quickly. Alright, I do not recommend doing that. Alright, it's very possible that I could lose out on that trade. But I have a rule of doing 2 trades per day. So I could easily still put in a stop loss on that trade, which I'm gonna wait for a second to do. Because this is a learning experience, you know what I mean? So I'm watching to see what happens. Anyway, the trade is right here. It's a short. I hopped in right over here at the top of the Bollinger Band, because usually you see a consolidation. And I don't care what anyone says. It's looking like we're overbought right here on the impulse MACD. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my second trade. I found this wedge pattern here, guys. So that's what also the wedge pattern is within the Bollinger Band. So we're gonna see what happens. It's likely we'll come down to the 0.618. It's likely we can come down to there. You know, if that happens, I might pull that trade. We'll see. But I would really like to make that 1%, 1.29%, because you know, making 1% a day, it actually really adds up, guys. It really does. All right, so let's go ahead and put in this this trade, second trade. All right. So what I'm thinking here is, so what I'm thinking here, you see this trend line, right? We could just draw it to the bottom of the trend, right? Look, that boy. Oh wow, we're actually all the way here. I didn't realize that. Alright, so I take the trend from the top of the trend all the way to the bottom of the trend, guys. Alright. It seems like I mean, here's the top. Well, that's not really the top, I guess. Let's just be a little conservative, just in case. Alright? Let's try to be somewhat conservative. Alright. Conservative, just in case. It's always better to be safe than sorry, guys. Trading isn't about gambling. It's about risk management. Right now, one trade that I'm already in is in the red. You see, this is how I got that, right? You can look at the same, honestly, it's the same thing. Usually I only trade the breakouts. So that's what I'm aiming for right now, the breakouts. Breakout, I mean, like, now this trade is looking a little bad. It's just one of those days. We're gonna see what happens. You never know. Never know. Never know. No, we don't want a short position. Actually, we want a long position. Boom. We're gonna take it here to the breakout. We want to make sure that bad boy actually breaks out of the trend. Right? I mean, ideally. Alright, so all in here is like no man's land, right? And then if we break out, we want to make sure that we actually break out. So let's set the level there. Alright. Minimum. You don't want, because you know, sometimes on the breakouts, it's a fake breakout. This is the 96,251. 96,000. That looks familiar. Alright, here we go. 'Alright guys, so here's where we're at. I'm thinking this is what my trade will be. I don't bet this is gonna go through. But if it does, it's real nice. Alright. So I'd say we're gonna short it. We're gonna short here at the 95,000 level. Right, because I actually bought in at a market order of 95,569. Yeah, so I bought in around here at a market order somewhere around that, right? And right now we're kind of in a neutral area, but if you look at my trade over here, it's in the red, right? So we're just gonna wait for this to keep going. It's gonna probably be in the red for a little bit, but if we can make it come here down and that short go through, that'll be great. If it doesn't go through and it comes here, we might be sad, So we're gonna wait. I will put in a stop loss, but I'm willing to lose out on that trade. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm willing to lose that trade. Or am I? I mean, what did I always say? It's about risk management, right? So maybe we should put in a stop loss at, let's say, 95,811. Let's do that. So we're losing a lot. I mean, relatively speaking, if you're basing it on percentages, we're losing a lot. But these guys are just technically another simulation. We're only trading with a small amount of funds. We only trade with what we are willing to lose. So we're going to put in a stop loss at $95,811. That'll give us a loss of 48 cents, right? But if we put that in, it's likely, the market is very funny. It likes to go up and hit people's stop losses. It's kind of childish in that way, So I'm thinking, what if we put in the stop loss at 96,011? How much will we lose? 96,111. Alright. Keep in mind, guys, I'm learning just like you. We will lose $1 at that point. Yeah. That's a 2% loss. Almost a 2.85%. But I suppose it's better than getting your whole account liquidated, right? So 96,111 would be our stop loss, right? It's math, guys. Let's say we're trading with 5,000, right? And we minus our percentage, 2.85%. That means we will lose about $142 trade. That's why I said you want to make sure trade with only what you want to lose. That's why I said we're looking at percentages. You could be trading with $10, guys. You know what I mean? Doesn't matter. The idea is to look at the percentages you're making. You want to get consistent with that. All right, so I'm sitting here debating about the stop loss. We're going to put in the stop loss and live to trade another day. We're going to put it in at 96,111. No. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Put it in 96,100. All right, boom. I finally chose a stop loss. Well, oh, that was a take profit. I put it in. My mistake. I meant to do stop loss down here. 96,111. See, you got to have a clear mind, guys. That's an example right there. Yeah, we're going to lose $1 on that trade if it hits our stop loss. But hey, at least we controlled the amount. Yeah, we lose. If we lose, nothing's set in stone yet. Trade is still going through. And honestly, it's looking like it's turning around right now and going our way. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in this long order. Okay, so we got, what's this price level right now? 96,255. We're going for the long. Conditional order, what you click. What was that price again? Like the 96,000. We'll say 96,235. 96,235. All right, that's the price we want our order to trigger at. We want to order at the same exact price, 96,235. Based on your situation, it's up to you. All right. And then you're going to put in the amount that you want to trade with. Do a small amount because I don't think it's going to go long, guys. I really don't. I think we're looking at a consolidation right now. But we'll go long at that order just in case with this very small amount of money. All right, so we got in our long, we got in our short. This is just how I trade, guys. As you can see, I'm in the negative. Some days are good, some days are bad. Even though this day is not over yet. All right, so let's wait for an update. We'll see what's gonna happen, guys. We'll see what's gonna happen. All right. Anyway, guys, this is how you put in conditional orders. Okay. You can make money whether it pumps or dumps. The only thing is you have to decide where you want to enter and when you want to exit. All right, that's why we got all these tools available. Yeah, guys, we're going down now. Like I wanted. So it's looking like we're going to be doing all right, hopefully. We'll see what happens with this order. Anyway, guys, this is our trade today. Stop losses allow us to live another day. All right, guys. Quick update to that trade. All right. We are now in the green. As you can see, this is a 1% trade, y'all. So if you do this every day, a conditional order, you don't always have to put in the stop loss. Trade the breakouts. You see I have it right here on the breakouts, okay? I put in the order because we're at the top of the trend. All right, follow the trend to the end, and that was the end. So the order took and we're back in the green. Goes to show you, just have a little patience and stick to your formula. I got a new rule. It's called follow the recipe. Follow the recipe. There you go. 1% trade.